Foreman can automatically send reports daily, weekly, or monthly. We'll go ahead and look at some of the reports. I'm going to hit add report. I can have them go to myself, another user on the account, or somebody external. So maybe they're not a Foreman user, but I want to keep them informed. So I'm going to have a report go to investor@gmail.com. There are various reports we can cut. Client stats report, so that gives you statistics on a 5-minute basis. Some people like to use that for billing if you happen to be invoicing your customers based on hash rate produced by 5 minutes. Hourly gives you number of miners online, hash rate produced hourly. The growth report, if you maybe have some constraints where you promised one of your customers that you would scale them up, maybe adding 100 petahash within 30 days, you can use the growth report to show how quickly that customer has scaled up. The pool report. The pool report is great for helping make sure the financials all align. So we'll actually dive into this one a little bit. Here I have a real pool report that was cut out of our system. This report was configured to be sent daily, and it always covers at least a 7-day window. With the pool report, Foreman connects directly to the pool and helps provide transparency to their payouts. It's important that you verify that the pool is viewing your hash rate the same as Foreman. So you can have 2 independent parties to help verify you're being paid fairly. So I can see on this report on August 8th, my account was a little over 1 exahash, so 1.3 exahash. I can see what my payout rate was, so how much revenue I was generating on a per terahash basis. I can see my total revenue generated, and again, this is all from the pool's perspective. We also decompose that into how much you were paid from block rewards and how much you were paid from transaction fees. So you can see of that 5.9 Bitcoin, 5.87 of that came from block rewards, 0.1 Bitcoin came from transaction fees. Now this is one of the neat things that this pool provides, the FPPS rates at the bottom. So with FPPS and the general blockchain, everything is public. So we can see how many transactions were performed within a day, and we can also see how many transaction fees were paid across that day. We can connect that to the payout rate that you were given from your pool and help validate that they were paying you out correctly. So on August 8th, I can see that this account compared to the Bitcoin network and how transaction fees were being paid out for the day, this user got overpaid a little bit. On August 10th, I can see this user was underpaid a little bit. On August 11th, underpaid. And if I zoom out across this 7-day reporting window, top right, this user was overpaid for this 7-day window. You can get these reports daily, weekly, monthly. You can also get them on an ad hoc basis. So you can come into Foreman and you can specify, run this report, and maybe I want it to go back on 2 years worth of data. A nice success story around the pool report, one of our users was able to zoom out and look at a 90-day pool report, and using that value top right, where you can see the FPPS difference, they were able to catch the fact that their top 10 pool had underpaid them by about 6 Bitcoin.